This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2022 Gold Rush Premier Players Football Series 3 1-box eBay break. December 10th, 2022. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. Big Guys Hut with the Bears and Bengals. BPHI8708 with the Titans, Jets, Buccaneers, and Redskins. Joey JAX806 with the Patriots, Falcons, Ravens, and Chargers. Daniel Wiffinger with the Raiders and Texans. JOBIS-62 with the Eagles, Steelers, and 49ers. MAHILTIBRAN_0 with the Seahawks. Go Bucks 40360 with the Cowboys, Lions, and Colts. BGrob-9 with the Giants. MAHILTIBRAN_0 also with the Saints. RYSOL_36 with the Vikings. 518 Boomer2 with the Dolphins. DYBarrow_0 with the Rams. MAHILTIBRAN_0 also with the Chiefs. Showtime Soccer with the Jaguars. DC22001 with the Packers. B.K.Collectibles with the Panthers. ROBCA9219 with the Broncos. Way Z World X with the Browns. And JORDABUEL_7 with the Bills. And Bernie086 with the Cardinals. That is your full lineup. Okay. Here's our box, guys. 2022 Gold Rush Premier Players Football Series 3. 2 high-end hits per box. This is going to be a fun break. Let's get the plastic off our box. And let's get our box open here. 1, 2. Empty box. Okay. 2 hits here, guys. Here we go. Your first hit coming at you. Good luck, everybody. Hit number 1. Hit number 1. Here we go. We've got... Ooh. Beautiful Adam Thielen autograph relic out of Spectra. Vested Veterans. Purple relic auto there. The Vikings. Beautiful Adam Thielen auto. 20 out of 35 there. 2019 Spectra, Panini Spectra. Beautiful Adam Thielen. Beautiful looking card there. Autograph relic. Vikings. That's a beautiful looking card. Vikings owned by RYSOL_36. Congrats. Beautiful Adam Thielen. Vested Veterans autograph relic. 20 out of 35. Beauty. Vikings. Congrats. That's gorgeous. All right. Hit number 2. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Hit number 2 coming at you. Hit number 2. And another auto. Ooh, wow. How about this? Wow. That's a big one. T.J. Watt. Out of Contenders. Rookie ticket auto. For the Steelers. How about that? What a T.J. Watt there. How about that hit for the Steelers? T.J. Watt. Contenders rookie auto. Wow. That is beautiful. JOBIS-62. What a hit. What a hit. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Congrats to the Steelers. How about that? T.J. Watt, Contenders rookie auto. How about it? Congrats, Steelers. T.J. Watt, Contenders rookie auto, 2017. Congrats to the Steelers. T.J. Watt rookie auto. All right, guys, we had your T.J. Watt, and we also had Adam Thielen, autograph relic. Vikings, Vested Veterans out of 2019. Panini Spectra, number 20 out of 35. Another beautiful card there. 2 beautiful hits. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay, guys. I'll be sticking around. We still have another break coming up at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's your 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic. Full-size helmet, Series 2 one-box eBay break. Got a beautiful lineup scheduled tomorrow night and all week long coming up, guys. Please don't miss out on those. Thank you so much again for your support, everybody. Please be smart, be safe out there.